Color block. Why did it move? Oh, it started. Hello and welcome back to this other live where I just came back home and continued. So yeah, it's exactly where I left the last live. So yeah, I was working on this Vine system. I'm not gonna re-explain the whole game. For this, you can just go ahead and watch the previous live. Because yeah, too much work for this. So yeah, I also remembered this model clone model main. So I'm gonna try something. Return new. Local first. Vine is equal to script parent dot vine. Times cframe dot angles. No, I don't really know how I'm gonna make it. No, hold on. Let's try this. Dot angles. Or no, dot new. Vector 3 dot new 0, 0, 0. Vectors. Oh, look at vector 3 dot new. Function random return math or no random dot new next number minus 15. So this is just a test script for now. R. So for I equals 0, no 100. So I'm gonna make 100 segments. Oh, I'm gonna start at 0 by the way. Vine is equal to new vine. Alright. Oh, I mean, that's a Vine system. It's just not as expected. Oh wait, no, it is as expected. It's exactly how it was supposed to work. But it's not how we're gonna make the whole Vine system. That was just to test the angles, etc. Let me bring it to the surface real quick. So yeah, we have all these vines coming from a single spot. It looked like. Let me just keep this one and everything else goes. I'm just gonna keep this one. It's the original one, I think. So let's retry. See if it's the same pattern. Boom. No, it's not. It's not the same pattern. I mean, technique. Stop. Alexa, stop. My Alexa just triggered. So yeah, no, that's kind of as expected. So so yeah, just as I said, I'm not gonna re-explain the game. Just go back to the other live where I did it. So now let's see. First, what am I gonna do for this? So this should make a straight line like the previous one. Just not sure because of the pivot point. Yeah, makes a straight line of 100 segments. So we have all this we can do. maybe I can do something like, okay, times the frame. Oh wait, maybe look at. No, I don't. What do we have? Orientation. Yeah. Random. None. No. Random and random. The other one's gonna be no orientation. Okay, we have this. So. Get a vine. If for local vine is equal to script parent get the children math random one and script parent get children if vine is a script script and return return get the vine, and if not, well, just return a vine. So, new vine. Why did I name it like this? Return a vine. So, new vine, get a vine. So this one should get us some random pattern. I'm just gonna move the base one high so the map doesn't interfere. Alright, I think we're high up. So, it should make something complete. Oh, yes, that's exactly what we want. A completely random tree pattern. And as you can see, it starts by this one. Any other before that is not here. And that's an end, that's another end. And it also connects very properly. That's something that's perfect. It connects just as expected. So I just don't know how I'm gonna make it crawl on the floor, because I don't want to make a full map of the upside down. Or, oh wait, unless I make it like an overlay. Then I clone the main map and I place the overlay above it. Also, this I think it's kind of like the pipe placer thing. Where is it? Pipe placer. Let me see. Huh? Hi, Blocks developer. So yeah, it's kind of the same thing. No valve boxes, no support rings. If I put it to mud, no, let's just place it to foil, and I do something like this. It's exactly the same system, except here I place the things. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna make it crawl though. Because yeah, no, that's just gonna go. Oh, okay. Yeah, the Tower Terror is my other game. Hold on, is that? Hold on, I can't really. Hold on, let me just check something. Why was this? Why was the phone sound so loud? Uh. Oh yes. Yeah. If I think it's from Discord, right? Well, if so, I need to make this first. Hold on, just gotta watch how the map looks like again right now. So, shut up. Let me, hold on, let me make it my actual car. This one takes a bit of skill to do, but yeah. So, where can we place, oh come on. Where can we place the vines? Hold on. So, let's just make it like an overlay. Dimensions. This will stay in server storage for now. For now, I'll just clone it. Wait, where's my toolbar? There it is. So, I hate selecting this map. Let's just move it out. This map is so big, it's no wonder it lags everything. Let me just get rid of every leaf. Hold on, get closer. Oh, wait, I can't even select the trees. Can I? No. Alright, so trees, let's just it's already better performance wise. So I think instead of using the script to generate the vines everywhere, since it's gonna be a nightmare. Oh wait, there are bicycles here. I'm gonna use the pipe placer. It's the exact same thing except I pre-place. Plus, for something like this, I don't need to randomize it. Where is it? I know their icon just got... Oh, there it is. Updated, so that's why I hardly recognize it. So, like this. 17, 17, 17. Can I find mud? No, there's no mud. I'm just gonna use foil then. No support ring and snap to angle. Okay, I'm gonna be doing it like this. So, uh, let's just place some. Oh, that's new. They didn't add these kind of things before. Oh no, no, not snap to angles. Definitely not. Okay, so this one's done. It's gonna take some time, I think, to simply just... Do I make this whole build? Yeah, I'm gonna make the whole building. Just, yeah, don't worry. I'll let you know, but for now I'm gonna make the game. But honestly, this map isn't fully accurate to the series because that's not how it looked like. Okay, no, this way of making the vines is pretty useful, to be honest. Just click everywhere randomly. Okay, no, that's cool. Right, Gonna make a loop around. Okay, now that corner wasn't good, but I mean, I'm gonna do with it. It's not like this plugin is pretty accurate, to be honest. It's useful, but not as accurate as some other things. I know I didn't actually want to make the roof, but it will allow me to place uh, some new segments starts to make it look like it's not just one big vine, it's multiple vines. Dude, it's gonna affect the performance so much, but it's okay as long as it looks good. I mean, I'm gonna sacrifice the performance for good looking, so yeah. And this one I'm gonna make it end here. Alright, that's a pretty big vine. So that's 2 vines. A few more to go. Yay. I'm gonna make it wrap around this part here. Like this. This one's gonna make the shops and everything. Ooh, the bike is not gonna like it when he's gonna be picked up. He's not gonna like it. Since it already freaks out every time I try to get it out of this thing by using the powers, so if it's colliding with a vine, it's not gonna like it, like, at all. I don't really usually do the back of buildings, but uh, the trees don't have collisions, so I can accept a few ones in the other place. Alright, so this one is done. What's this building? I don't remember. Oh, it's Starcourt. Why does it have a hole here? Okay, the main area is pretty recognizable as the Upside Down. Oh, dude. General store? Where's the E? Bruh. Ah, it's okay. I'll just hide this mistake. And I'm not gonna leave any waffles because in here, it's not a place you would eat normally, you know. Who would eat in a place like this full of vines, etc.? Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll add some mechanic to whenever you're stepping on one, the players associated with it will know where you are by using a highlight. That's gonna be so cool. Oh, the Christmas lights, bruh. Of course. Why would it not have the Christmas lights after all? It's her madness at the start. I mean, not completely. She wasn't actually mad. It's yeah. The camera controls sometimes they surprise me. Let's see what other building can we go to. Oh no, not a building, but this place. Okay, just gotta make sure I only wrap around the cars and not go through them. And that I start a new vine because just in case, you know. So this goes like this. However, the bus I can go like this. Oh wait, why is the collision so wrong? Directly inside the doghouse, it's the Vine's little house. Yeah, it's his house now. This one will be wrapped around, even though it's an interactable. Oh, they're gonna get completely crazy whenever they're gonna be picked up, and even without being picked up, it's gonna be crazy. This one too. I mean, I think he'll just phase out of the vine if it has collisions like this, but you never know. Maybe it can do something funny, and we like funny. Who would not do anything for funny? Okay, so this one. This one's gonna be the Christmas decoration of the tree. And the collisions are all bad. I'm gonna have to replace the tree model with another one to justify why the vine went in like this. Yeah, it does really like dog houses. And another vine is done. From far right, it does look like the upside. I'm not gonna put a lot on the roads because, you know. But the pool. Oh, the pool. The pool. I mean, in the shows, there's no water in any pools, nor food in any way. But, what do I sacrifice? Performance or developer conveniency? I already know. But why do they occupy it? Why do they care about making some lights if it's an area you can't even enter? Like, bruh. Maybe it was meant to be entered at first. Oh, wait, no, there are doors. But, yeah, no. So, where do I place the first one? I'm gonna place it on the roof. Since, you know, you can. Oh, I hate when it does this. You can fling players on roofs, so every detail counts. Oh, yeah, it's gonna climb on the fences. And in the pool. And if you're wondering, no, that's not the season 1 pool, it's the season 3 one. Alright. After all, who's gonna look at the exact details of everything? Nobody. This can just... Hold on. Does it not have any collisions? Oh no, it does. It's just pretty hard to use. Yeah, where Billy is. It's gonna go through the doors. And out in the nature. Then I can make it come back because it's the one for the pool and not the one for the lab. And it's wrapped. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm not gonna make a ton of vines. It's just a minimum amount because to recognize it wherever you enter it from. The lab now. The lab, I'm not sure what to do with it because I don't have an interior. I mean, I do have some few separate places from the interior, but not enough to make a full one, and I don't have enough space either. So I don't really know. I'll make the one start from the antenna. I mean, who doesn't like a vine that comes from an antenna? Let's zoom out and do some things like this. Yeah, I think one day I'll add some algorithm that places the vine itself. But for now, it's just gonna be an overlay above the main map. Okay, now I don't know why I'm spending so much time on the roof. It's not such a useful part of the lab. I mean, in season 5 it is, but not in the main parts of it. Not even in the full season 5, it's just the end. Just gonna make it wrap around. And then go back to the start through, not the same antenna though, a different one, and it's gonna enter directly through this little hole. Yeah, this one. Alright, like this. And it's gonna do a little jump. Do head back down. And I'm gonna make it a little bit swirly. And go back to its start. There we go, a brand new vine. I love how messy they are. Okay, for now I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna improve every vine later. So all these. Control G. Alright, it's a map. No, I'm gonna call it, no, map. Material, I'm gonna make it mud now. Mud. And now it should be exactly as the one I planned for earlier. It is. That is exactly the one we see in the show. It's crazy how good it is. I'm not gonna make the whole map because it's gonna take some time, so I'll do it off live. I'm not gonna waste a full live for it. Now map. Gonna get this one's so local primary part is equal to instance dot new part primary part dot c frame is equal to workspace dot dimensions dot wait, why is it called map one? Oh yeah, no, dot real dot map one. Get pivot primary dot parent is equal to workspace dot map primary dot size is equal to vector 3 dot new 1 primary dot can collide is equal to false primary dot transparency is equal to 1 and workspace dot map dot primary part is equal to primary. And much like this, we have a primary part to this upside down. Okay, cool. So that's our overlay, at least for the vines. I'm just gonna bring back this map if I need to make some things. Does it still have a primary part? No way, it still does. Prime. Alright, so we have this map upside down. Cool. Now, just gonna make a primary part for the main area. Workspace dot dimensions dot real dot map. Prime. space dot dimensions dot real primary dot name is equal to prime. There we go. Main map now has a primary part. Also, I really love the fact that we don't need to use change history service anymore. It's so cool. I can just do Control D and this part will just go back to non-existent, and Control Y and it's back. That's really cool and useful. You cannot know. So, prime... What? There are two primary parts? Which one's the prime? Oh, okay, I didn't delete the primary part. Oh yeah, I pressed it twice. Bruh. So, well, now that we got the upside down part, so map vines. Alright, so let's make the upside down generation, shall we? So main, new maps, prepare main, prepare upside. Folder dot okay, no, new clone is equal to folder dot dimensions dot real. No, the dimensions. Now folder dot dot map. New clone. Oh wait, no, bro. New clone. Oh, this one. Clone. New clone dot parent is equal to folder dot upside down dot map. New clone pt2 folder dot upside down dot map get pivot, since it's supposed to be the same map. And we have a primary part for both of them to calibrate on the same one. For I thing in new clone get the children do thing dot parent is equal to new clone dot parent thing new clone destroy, so that we have a fully functional clone of the map. And then we just add the vines, which are simply an overlay. So that's done. Let's just make it generated now. Upside down require script prepare upside folder. Now just not like the other mistake I did once, I removed my temporary variable. So it should be here. Now I'm gonna make a temporary script. No, not in start.ui. It's gonna reset player script and a local script. Local bind is equal to binds is equal to require game replicate storage dot keybind. Local bind is equal to bind dot get action temp upside, and I'll set it to bind dot keyboard binding is equal to enum dot keycode dot game dot user input service dot dot wait no I don't input begin once function input print input dot keycode. Oh, come on. enum.keycode.unknown. Okay. Unknown. Huh. That's strange. Let's just put it to, I don't know, like W. Remote, script remote dot on connect function player game replicated storage dot server events dot set dimension fire player and upside down. Alright, so now this one I'll just say bind dot pressed connect function script parent remote event fire server. Alright, let's see if it teleports me. Okay, it's taking a bit of time, so I'm assuming cloning the map isn't good. What do you mean keyboard binding is not oh wait for child because it's lagging that much? Let's just wait 3 seconds. I'm not gonna modify the code. Wait 3 like the other ones do. Alright, let's see. Keyboard binding. Oh, come on. Is it not a thing? Actually? Oh, wait. Oh, oh. Oh. So many objects that use it. Bruh. Okay, so now, where is the thing supposed to be? Keybind. Hold on, do we see the map from here? We do see the map. Wait. Yeah, we do. Powers temporary upside. Keyboard binding, it's here. I don't know where you. Okay, I'll just use wait for child. Wait for child, keyboard binding. Alright, you wanted it. Let's see. Who's pinging me? Oh, it's myself. It's my own live that's pinging me. Bruh. Oh, come on. Identifier. Okay, what did I added a Z by mistake? No. Wait for child, keep on. Bruh. That's key code. Hold on, was that the problem I had before? No, it just didn't find the thing. Alright, third time's the charm. Alright, so if I press W. Wait, no, is it bound to D? No, it's W. Is it not called upside down in the dimension folder? Upside down. Let me copy this. Oh wait, maybe it's the other way around. Game replicates storage, server events, data, set dimension, fire, upside down, and player. Player. Did it work? I don't know. It did! Yes! Look at this teleporting. Smooth. Okay, I just gotta invert the order in which I give the arguments because it's not right. Bruh. It's gonna be so many attempts just to find the right way to call the arguments. Upside down. Player. Okay, this time it'll work. Now, what we might witness isn't actually a cut, it's the lighting loading. Or a gameplay paused. Something like this, because you see how far away it is? Yeah, it's gonna be, far. Wait, why do I spawn here? Wait, was it not actual? Hold on, if I put my keyboard in English. Maybe that was just a no? Maybe yeah, I spawned here already? Hold on, let me... Bro, let me just prepare the upside down. Main. Player handler. Set dimension. Player dimension. Player and dimension. Yeah, it's the same order. I mean, what would it be the other way around? All dimension model, dimension function current, void. Honestly, I've got no idea. Hold on, let me see. Does the normal one work whenever I go to the void? I mean, it thinks I'm on the other side, so of course it wouldn't work, but let me just teleport my player to the... Oh wait, no. Actually, I can just... Upside down. Alright, it should work. Is it back to real? I bet you it's back to real. It's back to real. So that's not the way I'm gonna do it. I'll just teleport this character to the real world. Imagine the character's view right now. Oh, okay, so look, if I'm teleporting onto the portal, I forgot I added those. So look, if I go in the void, why am I on top? Why am I on top? Hold on, where's the maps? They are over there. Do we see both maps? Yeah, we do see both maps. If I go back, I'm gonna be in the same position. Is it because I was too high? Nope. Why am I so high up whenever I spawn in this dimension? Did I break something? And what oh, these vines didn't we're not anchored. But still, this spawn looks good. Oh no. Why does this have collisions? Like, bruh. And not this, bruh. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop.